In 2018, the average rent in South Africa was 7,900 Rand a month, and the average house price was 1.1 million Rand. So if you wanted to buy a property as a little investment, get a loan from the bank, rent it out, and get the tenant to pay the mortgage, in 2018, your bond would have been 10,800 Rand a month. So if you add the rates and levies to this, you could easily have been paying 14 grand a month and be short 6 grand each month from what the tenant was paying you. Now, traditionally, if there's a shortfall, it's no big deal, because as the years go on, you can raise the rent so that the rentals eventually catch up with all the property costs. So how have things gone after 6 years? The average rent in SA is now 8,600 Rand, and it's gone up less than a grand in 6 years. Interest rates have gone up, so your bond is now almost 12 grand, 15 grand a month all in if you include rates and levies. A big difference even in just 6 years. Now, it's virtually impossible to predict when rent prices are going to catch up and absorb all the costs in full. So I thought a better question would be, what year would you have had to have bought that property so that the rent you receive each month covers the bond and all your bills? If the rates and levies are fixed at 3.5 grand and our rent is 8.5 grand, it means our bond must be 5 grand on the dot tops, which is a house price of 465,000 Rand. The last time the average house price in SA was that price was in 2003.